Good morning everyone. I'm here in Syria, located in Baliwag, Bulacan. Right along the highway project. Strategic ang location dahil malapit sa lahat ng kailangan mo and super convenient para sa mga locally employed at OFWs na naghahanap ng accessible at quality home. Ang Syria community ay well-planned, peaceful at secured. May wide roads, open spaces at malapit sa schools, markets, malls and major roads dito sa Baliwag. Si Syria ay isang rent-to-own housing development na abot kaya ang halaga at available siya through Pag-ibig Financing at bank financing. Swak na swak din ito para sa mga work from home dahil napaka-peaceful at tahimik ng ating community. Perfect for productivity and relaxation. Ito ang Manor Classic, a thoughtfully designed home with complete features for your growing family. May one carport, nakasya ang isang family car at malinis at modern ang facade ng bahay. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mararamdaman mo agad ang maluwag na living and dining area. Perfect ito sa family bonding at daily meals together. Nandito ang ating kitchen at service area na pwede nyong i-enclose. At ito ang toilet and bath dito sa baba para mas convenient ang daily use. Tara, akyat naman tayo sa second floor para makita nyo ang ating 3 bedrooms na may enough space para sa inyong mga beds at personal essentials. At ito naman ang toilet and bath dito sa second floor, malinis, maayos at maaliwalas. Ang first bedroom ay perfect for kids or pwede rin gawing study room or home office. Welcome to the master's bedroom, mas malaki, maliwalas at may enough space for a queen bed. At ang third bedroom, spacious din at kasyang double bed, ideal for kids or guests. So, if you're dreaming of complete spacious and elegant home dito sa Bulacan, Manor Classic in Syria by Obiland is the best perfect choice for your family. Message me for a free site viewing and I'll be happy to assist you.